Hi everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. Today I have a special game for Ufuk. Ufuk's gonna play with Ringmaker and introduce you the diamond cut head of the machine. Are you ready for the game?
Yes, I am ready. Do you like Turkish baklava? Today we will make baklava design with our CNC machine. Today we choose 3mm convex machine tools. As you can see, it's a model. It consists of a lot of points, as you can see. Each point the tools touch one by one. After finishing, you can see baklava design.
Do you know baklava? If you know baklava, write in the comments.
Yes.
If you don't know baklava, write in the comments. Okay, I'm leaving. Please start the model.
Let's go.
Our ring is ready, so we want to show you now. Please
Yes,
show us.
finish.
Please show us.
Let me finish with the lathe.
We used Ringmaker CNC machine the diamond cut head with a 3mm convex tool, and then we completed our ring with a lathe machine, the concave tool. And of course you can use different diamond tools to change the effect and get your special design.
It's very easy to make. We will teach every settings and to make a design. Also you can combine both of these machines.
If you don't know how to use our machines, don't worry. Our technicians gonna teach you how to use all the machinery, all the tricks about our product.
Don't forget to subscribe about our YouTube channel for more videos.
And you can also follow our Instagram account to see many different jewelry models.
See you in the next video.